Have you ever wondered what the future of space travel holds? Could life on Mars be a possibility? For centuries, humans have been captivated by the red planet, our celestial neighbor. Mars, with its rusty red surface and intriguing potential for life, has often been the subject of our dreams and science fiction tales. Yet the reality of actually setting foot on this distant world has remained elusive. The challenges are many: the vast distance, the thin atmosphere, the harsh, cold desert that would greet any potential Martian explorer. But what if these challenges could be overcome? What if we could actually make the dream of Mars colonization a reality? It would be nothing short of a new frontier, a bold leap into the unknown. This isn't just the stuff of dreams anymore. Enter SpaceX, a company that dared to dream the impossible. In 2002, a visionary named Elon Musk founded SpaceX with a dream to make space travel possible for everyone. With a background in technology and a passion for space exploration, Musk was inspired to challenge the status quo. He saw a space industry that was stagnant and expensive, where the dream of colonizing Mars seemed more like science fiction than an achievable goal. Musk's vision was to make space travel affordable and reusable, to bring the cosmos within our reach. He assembled a dedicated team of engineers and innovators, a motley crew of dreamers who shared his ambition. Together they navigated through a labyrinth of technical challenges and financial constraints to breathe life into SpaceX. The early days were fraught with setbacks and failures, yet every obstacle was seen as an opportunity to learn to improve. They were pioneers, charting a new path in an industry that had become complacent. Despite numerous hurdles, SpaceX persisted. The journey to success was far from easy for SpaceX. The early days were marked by a relentless pursuit of a dream. The dream to make space accessible and affordable. And this dream was not without its fair share of turbulence. The creation of the Falcon 9 rocket, the backbone of SpaceX's fleet, was a journey of its own. The process was filled with countless hours of tireless work, with engineers meticulously welding, coding, and assembling the components. But as we know, the path to innovation is often laden with obstacles. SpaceX had to weather several setbacks. There were failed launches and fiery explosions, moments of doubt and despair. The dream of affordable space travel seemed to be slipping away, lost in a cloud of smoke and debris. Yet it was in these moments of adversity that the true spirit of SpaceX shone through. Each setback was not seen as a failure, but as a lesson. Each explosion, a harsh teacher. The team learned, adapted, and improved with every misstep, turning each failure into an opportunity for growth. And then the breakthrough, the successful launch of the first Falcon 9 rocket. This was not just a rocket reaching the skies, it was a testament to human resilience and determination. It marked the triumph of an audacious dream over skepticism. It was a beacon of hope, signaling the dawn of a new era in space exploration. The jubilation that followed was well-deserved. The team had not only built a rocket, they had ignited a spark that would light the way for future innovations in space technology. They had turned a dream into reality, and in doing so, they had changed the face of space travel forever. Each failure was a stepping stone to success for SpaceX. Every explosion, every setback, they all led to this moment of triumph. The journey was tough, the road was rough, but the destination, well, it was simply out of this world. SpaceX did not stop at just launching rockets. No, the company was on a mission to completely revolutionize space travel as we know it. It was a lofty goal with challenges that seemed almost insurmountable. But, as we've seen, SpaceX, under the leadership of Elon Musk, was not deterred by the seemingly impossible. The first step in this revolution was to challenge a long-held belief in the industry that rockets, once launched, were lost forever. This was an expensive proposition that kept space travel out of reach for many. SpaceX, however, had a different idea. They envisioned a future where rockets could be reused, dramatically reducing the cost of space travel. In December 2015, SpaceX achieved what many thought was impossible. The company successfully launched a Falcon 9 rocket into space and then, in a move that seemed straight out of a science fiction novel, landed the booster back on Earth. This was the first ever vertical landing of a booster rocket, a feat that would have been unthinkable even a few years prior. This moment marked a significant turning point in the history of space travel. It was a clear demonstration that rockets could indeed be reusable, opening up a world of possibilities. Suddenly, space travel was no longer just for the elite few. It was becoming more affordable and accessible. But SpaceX was not done yet. The company continued to push boundaries and innovate, constantly working to improve their technology and make space travel even more efficient. With each launch and landing, they learned and improved, inching ever closer to their ultimate goal of making Mars and beyond accessible to us all. SpaceX was paving the way for a new era in space travel. An era where space is no longer a distant, unreachable frontier, but a place that is within our grasp. A place we can explore, learn from, and maybe one day even call home. SpaceX expanded its horizons beyond just rockets. Enter Dragon, the sleek white spacecraft that has become a reliable ferry for astronauts to the International Space Station. This wasn't just a technological triumph, but a symbolic one, marking a new era of commercial space travel. But SpaceX didn't stop there. They looked back at Earth and saw an opportunity to connect the unconnected. This is where Starlink comes into play, a constellation of satellites designed to bring high-speed internet to the most remote corners of our globe. This ambitious project is not just about providing internet, it's about providing opportunities, education, and bridging the digital divide that exists today. With Dragon and Starlink, SpaceX evolved. They were no longer just a company that launched rockets. They became a space transportation company, an internet provider, a beacon of innovation. SpaceX was now a multifaceted space company. SpaceX's ambition did not stop with the Dragon capsule and Starlink. Their sights were set far beyond, on a project that would revolutionize space travel and bring us closer to the stars than ever before. The Starship. This stainless steel behemoth, a marvel of modern engineering, is not just another spacecraft. It's a symbol of hope and a testament to human ingenuity. It's a vehicle designed to carry us to places we've only dreamed of. The Starship is being built to serve a purpose far greater than ferrying satellites or astronauts to the International Space Station. It's being designed to carry us to Mars, to help us become a multiplanetary species. This isn't merely a dream, but a goal that SpaceX is tirelessly working towards. As we speak, the Starship is undergoing rigorous testing and refinement, inching us closer to that dream. The Starship was a significant step towards SpaceX's ultimate goal. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX and space travel is nothing short of revolutionary. The man who dared to dream of a world where space travel is not just a privilege of the few, but an opportunity for all, has set his sights even higher. Elon Musk envisions a future where humans are not just earthbound creatures, but a multiplanetary species. This may sound like the stuff of science fiction, but for Musk, it's a goal that he is tirelessly working towards. He imagines a time when human colonies will thrive on Mars, living and working in a self-sustaining city. This city, he believes, will not only serve as a new home for humanity, but also as a beacon of hope, symbolizing our limitless potential. Musk's vision goes beyond simply establishing a human presence on Mars. He sees the red planet as a stepping stone, a starting point for exploring the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. He dreams of a day when we will journey to the outer planets, discover new worlds, and perhaps even encounter other forms of life. But Musk's vision is not without its challenges. It requires technological advancements that are currently beyond our reach. It necessitates a shift in mindset, a willingness to take risks, and a commitment to a cause greater than ourselves. Yet Musk remains undeterred. He's convinced that with the right focus, the right resources, and the right amount of determination, these challenges can be overcome. Elon Musk's vision for the future is a testament to his unwavering belief in the power of human ingenuity. It's a vision that inspires us to dream bigger, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to strive for a future that is as limitless as the universe itself. SpaceX is not just about rockets. It's about a future where humanity is no longer confined to one planet.